How to get voice chat on Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. First, open the Roblox application on your mobile device. Now tap on More from the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Here, tap on Account Info from the menu. Now tap on Verify My Age. This step is required to access the voice chat. Then tap on Start Session to begin the verification process. Now tap on Begin Verifying when prompted. Next, select the country your government ID is from. Now choose either national ID or passport, depending on what you have. This will require a photo of your government ID to verify your identity. Then, take a clear photo of the front of your ID and follow the on-screen instructions to submit it. Once your age is verified, Roblox will review your submission. If approved, voice chat will be enabled in supported games. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.